Today we're going to be talking about Technidyne's ColorTouch X. But before we get started, I'm going to show you all of the tools you'll need in order to do your calibration. The first thing that you'll need is your calibration kit. Inside your calibration kit, you'll find your calibration data sheet, 4 sets of calibration standards. The fluorescent whiteness standard and the 90 standard are used for your primary calibration, while the 60 and the 70 standards are used to verify measurement linearity. You'll also find your USB, which holds your calibration data, and you'll find your ColorTouch verification form. The last thing you'll need is your black cup. Once you have all of this together, you're ready to start your calibration. From the home screen, our first step is to hit calibration. This instrument automatically defaults to its primary settings. However, one thing that's unique to the ColorTouch family of instruments is the automatic data entry. This is how we're able to use the USB as opposed to manually entering the data. So we're going to go ahead and insert our USB, and once we've done that, we'll make sure that there are no contaminants in our black cup, and then we'll load the black cup. Then we'll hit the button that says External USB, and our calibration sequence has started. Now that the black cup is loaded and your calibration sequence is started, you'll press the next button and the instrument will set the dark level. Once the black cup setting is done, the software is going to lead you to the next step, which is to measure the non-fluorescent 90 standard. But before we do that, we want to make sure that the serial number on the non-fluorescent 90 standard matches the serial number on your data sheet as well as the serial number on your USB. Once you've made sure of those, you'll fold back this top page. You'll load your standard and you'll hit next. Once the instrument is finished measuring the non-fluorescent 90 standard, it will ask you to measure the fluorescent standard. Once again, you'll need to verify the serial number. In this step, the instrument will measure the UV filter positions for both the D65 and the C sources. This process can take a minute or so as multiple measurements are established. Once these values are established, motor positions are saved in the software for future measurements. Once the primary and fluorescence calibration are completed, the software will instruct you to load the black cup again. This will establish dark level under this new calibration. The last step in the calibration sequence is to load the non-fluorescent 90 standard one more time. During this process, the ColorTouch will perform an evaluation of the internal swing-in standard and complete the calibration process.